What do you guys think about unicorns? A mythical beast जो हमने हैरी पॉटर सीरीज में देखा था जहाँ पे वोल्डेमॉर्ट was drinking its blood. Sorry then, I'm not talking about that unicorn. I am talking about a real unicorn. So hello everyone, today I'm here to talk about unicorns that are helping our country to create more job and employment. So first of all, we'll talk about what is a unicorns are basically privately owned startup जिनकी value $1 billion से ज़्यादा होती है. Like India's some unicorns are Swiggy, Unacademy, CoinDCX. These are very big companies and these are unicorns of our country. So suddenly कोई company unicorn नहीं बनती. There are some phases and a company has to go through these phases. Like minicorn, sonicorn, then it becomes unicorn, and after that it certainly converts into a decacorn and hectacorn. So first of all, what is minicorn? Minicorns are those startups which are valued over $1 billion, and then sonicorn जिसकी valuation 1 million से 1 billion के बीच में होती है. Then a company become unicorn and then आता है hectacorn और decacorn. Unicorn can certainly convert into a decacorn which valued over 10 billion US dollar, and then comes here hectacorn जिसकी valuation $100 billion से ऊपर होती है. So these are some phases, and to become a unicorn and a big company, these companies has to go through these phases. So let's come again on a unicorn. So you guys will be happily shocked to know that we have added 8 new unicorn in just 40 days, and now we have total 83 unicorns as of 14th Jan of this year, and it is also estimated that India will have 150 unicorns till 2025, and in my opinion we will achieve that mark very soon. Now here is a second news that recently India ने beat किया है United Kingdom को and made its third place in the rank of most number of unicorns countries. Only China and USA are above us. China has 301 unicorns और USA के पास 487 से ज़्यादा unicorns है, and I am pretty sure that India will beat them very soon. Recently, our Prime Minister said that 2021 was the year of unicorns, and we have added 3 unicorns in each month of the last year. And he has also said that India will achieve a century very soon. So now the question arises, क्यों आजकल इतना unicorns के बारे में we are talking? Why unicorns are very important for our country and for its growth? अगर कंपैरिजन के लिए हम देखें तो पाकिस्तान के पास 0 कंट्री बेस्ड यूनिकॉर्न्स हैं, तो ऑल कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई देयर इकोनॉमी इज सो वेल. नाउ इन अ रिपोर्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, इंडिया हैज रेज्ड $24 billion and we have added 42 unicorns in the year of 2021. In the coming years, these startup number will grow and provide employment to 30 lakh Indian people. Basically देखा जाए तो एक startup attract करता है foreign investment को and world exposure को, which ultimately helps to reduce poverty by creating more number of jobs and employment. अगर कोई कंट्री क्रिएट करना चाहता है मोर नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू रिमूव पॉवर्टी, देन इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर देम टू इन्वेस्ट इन दोज कंपनीज विच आर क्रिएटिंग मोर नंबर ऑफ जॉब्स इन द कंट्री. Startup can change the face of the nation, like SpaceX and Tesla, जिन्होंने टेक इंडस्ट्रीज को बदल के रख दिया and which ultimately improves the status of the America. A startup can even change the value of the society, like Chinese companies did in their country. They have lifted 30 crore people out of the poverty in just 15 to 20 years. And with these facts and information, I must say that India is still a sleeping giant. और अभी इंडिया का दौड़ना और उड़ना बाकी है, and we will do that very soon. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you find this video beneficial for yourself, then do like, share, and subscribe the channel.